Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins. If you can hear a whir in the background, I do apologise, but I've got to have the fan on today. It's one of the hottest days of the year when I'm recording this, so I hope you'll excuse any noise that you may hear in the background. This coin here that I'm doing the review on is a coin that I found on the internet fairly cheaply, and it's from a microstate, as the the Euro coin enthusiast calls it. It's from Monaco, and here's a €2 coin from, I think it's 2010. But the reason it is all of these ones of Monaco are very, because it's not a huge population, there's very small mintages of these coins. This shows Prince Albert of Monaco. As I say, it's a low mintage coin, and it's one that I couldn't resist when I saw it being so such a low mintage and for such a reasonable price. These coins from the microstates are highly sought after on the coin hunts that the Euro coin hunt channels cover. You know, when they do the €2 coins looking for low mintage coins and also commemoratives. It's a coin I've been after for a while, actually. One from Monaco. I'm looking at collecting €2 commemoratives and microstate coins over the next couple of years. Also trying to get ones that I don't have and get a decent amount of €2 coins. You may have seen just recently I have had a little bit of luck. I've got some €5 climate coins and also one €10 German coin, I think it was called In the Air, which were polymer ring coins, to start off my Euro collection for commemorative coins. What do you think of this coin? Do you like it? Would you want one in your collection? I'm very happy to have it in there. As I said, I picked it up cheaply. I'm very happy to have it, and you know, I can't wait until I get more of them. More Euro commemoratives and short print run ones. So, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, like I've done with this one, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching over the next couple of weeks. I am trying to grow the channel this year, and I'm looking to improve my subscriptions, so if you believe I deserve it, will you please subscribe to the channel, and also could you give me the thumbs up and plus a comment. All of these will help me get my videos in front of new people. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and staying to the end. Until we meet again, I'll see you again shortly. Bye bye. Ta-da now.